Hey guys, Jesse Norton here with Forest River Marine. We're on a LE series. We're gonna go over putting your canvas back on your Bimini. So, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take your front two bows and we're gonna pull it forward and latch it into your front clip. And while you're doing that, make sure you hold on to both bows because this will flop down. You're gonna come back here. You're gonna take your third bow and take it all the way back over. And you can grab your canvas here. And you're gonna wanna find your hole at the end of the canvas for your Bimini light. This is what we're looking for right here. There, go ahead. Put it over your Bimini. And what we can do here is grab your other end and just kind of fold it over on itself and come back. And then just kind of let it rest so you can get to your zippers. Okay, now you're gonna pull this back towards you. There's two pockets up here. And you're gonna just get them lined right up on top of your other bow that's laying down. And you can grab your third bow, you can pull it back. Right on top of your pockets. We'll get these zipped up. All right, and then the same thing. You're gonna pull the canvas towards you. So you see your other pockets. Go ahead and open them up so their flap is down. You're gonna wanna lay these right on top of that last bow. And you can come back here and grab your bow set that we got out of the way. Make sure you grab both bows. You're gonna let this one flop down a little bit, and you can set that right on top of there. And we're gonna just get these zipped up. One. And there's the second one. And then from this point, you can leave it here. Then you can go ahead and grab the end of the canvas. Put the last zipper on from here. Once you got your canvas on, you're gonna go ahead and put it up in your radar position. From there, you can go ahead and grab it, pull it forward, latch it down your front struts, put your straps on, come back up front, From here you can tighten it down if necessary. And then you're ready to go boating.